Stock trading. One stock almost doubled within a few hours. Which stock is it? Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. This stock is called EVTI, ticker symbol, Enviro Tech Vehicles Inc. It jumped quite a lot on January 12th. So that was the first day. The Monday it was jumping. So when we trade stocks, we only want to look at stocks that gap up, jump a lot. We don't have to catch the first day. Remember, the first day, it will be great if you catch it, but it is very rare that anybody could be catching the first day. And remember, so when I saw it, I knew it. So I sent an alert to my patrons, and the breakout is 2.7. Beta breakout is $3. What does it mean? It means that if it hits and breakout above 2.7, it's most likely gonna keep going higher. And if it raises up above $3, it's even better, right? So it's a better breakout. So as I predicted, it hit 4.7528 on January 13. So I sent out an alert on January 13 before the market opens, and it gained 89.35% within a few hours. Of course, anybody could have sold right here, and it will have been smart to sold right here as well. And why? Because you will have to wait a long time. Because if you bought it, whatever, you could have bought it right here, and maybe the stock could drop. Usually, the second day, most likely it's gonna end up higher if it cap ups at the beginning when the market opens. So I think that probably all going up higher is higher. So in that case, it may be worth it to take the risk by holding a little bit longer, or maybe you can just wait. Then, when it breaks above $3, right, 3.34, whatever, then you could just get in, right? We could just get in and so set up 3.76. So let's just say if we make get it at $3 and get out at 3.76, so $760, right? If you use 3,000 and 3,760, so the profit's gonna be 760. But if you have only a few hundreds, you bought 300, and you sell it at 376, hey, you still made $76. So it's within 10 10:15 to 10:25 within 10 minutes, right? Then you could just go whatever the job that you have, in the afternoon, early after, early morning, or if you waited, especially if you have a job, you are trading day trading momentum stock, you could be just wasting so much time because the next time it jump is right here, 1:30, 1:10 p.m. The whole morning, you don't want to do that. Usually I get out, once I get in once the market opens, within 30 minutes after the market's open, I may just try to take profits, 30 minutes to an hour at the most. Probably right around here, right? Up, down, one consolidated, maybe right here, 11, so 9:30 to 11. Well, that's the an hour and a half. It's probably too long. Probably somewhere around here, I will have taken a profit. Uh, of course, if you miss it, if it drop, that will be painful. You could basically be emotionally shaken a little bit because, oh, I could have sold for a profit right here, sold for a profit right here, right here, right here, right here, and I waited, it dropped. You know what? I may just cut loss, or I may just take profit just a little bit. Yeah, you could do that, right? But once you come back, see, oh, the stock jump, you will just be, oh, I should had it until 1 p.m. That will be uh, pretty big mistake because you're wasting your time for something not so uncertain. Usually the first 1 to 2 hours I would have just taken profit. Yeah, even though I know that I will have missed out this big profit. Yeah, usually just keep the profit and go do your job. Um, Whatever, if you are traveling, if you work from home, you just work from home. If you have to pick up your kids, just pick up your kids after trading 1 to 2 hours. That's a better strategy. Just then wait for the next day, right? You look for the stock. Which stock goes up today? Then probably tomorrow it could probably go up too. So if it gaps up, that's a good time or maybe a good opportunity to take carry. Remember, a stock gaps up the first day could most likely gonna go up the next day. But the third day, I'm not so sure. You see, it's about 37. After hours, it's dropped down. So I'm not sure about the third day. So it's just like having one night stand. When the woman look at you, within 3 minutes you go and talk to her in a nightclub, most likely you're gonna get a woman. But if you wait, maybe after 10 minutes, not so sure. She might have changed her mind. She might get distracted. She might have her friends coming over. So your windows of opportunity gonna be closed. The same way with trading, day trading. Usually the second day, the first and second day are the best. So the second day we could trade it. The first day most likely not a good idea to trade because you're not very sure how much it's gonna go up, how much demand is gonna be. Do you need to know why it jumped? No, not at all. If you're investing in stock, yeah, probably. Yeah, I'm going to look at does it beat S&P 500 over the last 5 years? No, it did not, right? If you put in $100, you would only have $4 net right now. Lost 95.91%. Look at this. Look at this. So somebody who bought it at the top, let's say you also bought at the top $132, and he sold his share at a loss at 43.45 dollars, let's say 45. He could have probably more money than you, right? If you have had a long time, your money become $3.52. $3.52. 45 is 2021, right? So 4 years later, you will have lost more money than him. He got out earlier than you, right? He should got out earlier, way earlier. February at $88, March at $88, but he waited until May. I understand. That happens to most beginners. So the earlier you get out, the sooner you get out, the more money you gotta keep, and you can use that money to trade another stock or invest in another stock. So never wait. And second criteria, if I'm going to invest in this company, has it been around for at least 10 years? I don't really need to look at this company because it doesn't pass my first criteria. I know that it's not a great company. The third criteria is has it been public company for at least 5 years? The fourth one, what business is it in? Do I know the business? The fifth one, financial statement. I don't need to look at all those because I know that it's not a good company, but I look at the share price. No good company is gonna lose money over 96%, over 95% in 5 years. So why did it jump? Hey, if you are interested, you can always look at the news. Learning 100 million in carbon war across Southeast Asia. So that's why it jumped. It jumped. Just keep this stock in your watch list. It may probably go up in future, probably not tomorrow, not on January 14th, because after hours is down. Most likely January 14th, pre-market is going to be down as well. So just keep it in your watch list for the next in futures. Then once you see the first day it jumps, you can probably get in right away. Of course, this is not financial advice. This is I'm telling you how to trade, day trading, education, sharing education. If you want to learn more, you can go to Master Stock Option Crypto through the playlist. You can learn more about stock investing, call option, put option, and best option, day trading movement stock. If you want to learn about stock market for beginners, there's a link, there's a box on the left side, left bottom at the end of the video. Or you can go to videos and click on this one, stock market for beginners. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.